My 12 years old and 8 years old have built this Biped robot using Bionic Biped coding robot kit from ACEBOTT. Overall, we really enjoyed the experience. They didn't have any difficulties assembling this robot. We had some mistakes, but we corrected them. Overall quality of acrylic parts is really good. Robot has 4 servos and 1 controller board with ESP32. One important consideration is that this robot doesn't come with batteries. You have to buy batteries, and these batteries are
much more bigger than normal AA battery.
These batteries are quite large, 18650 batteries. These are lithium ion batteries, 3.7 volts. And as you can see, they are a bit larger than AA batteries.
You may also consider buying a charger for them.
Coding this robot is a little bit harder task than assembling it.
So we'll make a different video for it, and it'll be part 2.
So this ESP32 board is not flashed. You have to flash it with firmware, and then you have to upload a program. ACEBOTT provides a software which looks similar to Scratch visual coding. We'll get onto in the second video, but now we are moving on to unboxing and assembly parts of this video.
We're unboxing the Biped coding robot kit. We have masks. Let's not get distracted.
So, we have those masks. There's a bird mask, a cat mask, and a master mask, and a witch mask, and a glasses mask, and a Santa mask. Santa mask. And also the he can play ball.
For this robot, you'll need special batteries. They are much bigger than regular batteries.
I don't know what this is. We'll find out.
It's a magnet.
Here are some tools inside this bag. All the items.
The building blocks.
The building blocks.
Wire.
They're not gonna be. It's not gonna be brown. It's gonna be black. You'll see what to do.
Yeah, and all the stuff that we don't really know about goes here.
So these are servos. These are actual motors.
And those are not gonna be brown. They're gonna be
4 of
black.
them. This is some CD. And this has actual controller, ESP32 Max. So this is programmable robot. And we have 4 motors all together.
And we have some screws and bolts for the acrylic boards.
Yeah,
These are acrylic, by the way.
Yeah,
Yeah, we need
they're
to peel
just
them off.
protecting paper. They're just paper protecting them.
Yeah, so here is the battery pack.
Compartments.
Yeah, we'll set the batteries here.
We're gonna peel all these acrylic parts. There's the paper. We finished peeling, so it's easier to peel using a 3D printer sample. I think it's
A piece of calibration set.
yeah.
If those are the right soap, they're the right way.
Okay, so
This is the
use something sharp. You put it like over here with the holes here and scratch off like that part. it makes it open. You can scratch it off to make it easier to do all of it. So now on the next phase.
We realized that we need to download a user manual for the robot. So to do so, we need to go to ACEBOTT with double T at the end, acebott.com. And rather than looking in tutorials, we can just type Biped. Comes first in the search. So we can just scroll down and click download now. It's nested archive. Must read before use.
If your kit includes only one ESP32 main controller board without any additional expansion boards as shown in the figure below, please refer to the tutorial V1 tutorial. Click here to directly open the tutorial V1 tutorial. Which version are we using?
Version 2.
If your kit includes one ESP32 main controller board, along with a matching expansion board, as shown in the figure below, please refer to the tutorial V2 tutorial.
Alright, this must be version 2.
Yeah.
Is it? Controller board and car shield board. Yep.
And there's
that's it.
nothing else that goes down.
Okay. Assemble documentation, I guess.
We know that, right? So think of this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the thing.
Alright.
This is the feet and the. So it's meant to look like this. They both point at each other. And then we have to put in these small ones. Only one dot and it has like that. Don't push it in hard. It falls out. It's not strong. You just put it like that. Second one, copy. So these things are put in the top thing. After you put in them, check again if you moved it around. We needed M3 nuts and M3 10 millimeter screws. So it's done, the feet. So don't forget to first put the bolt in here, and then you might have to have two people. So someone will be holding here with the thing there, then someone will add the foot and put it upside down, and then you put in the screw, and done. Then you do it with the other thing. Remember, it's one hole. So the next step is putting in 2 servos into the feet. We're gonna need 4 M2 nuts and 4 M2 screws.
For the next step, we will need to install a rudder on this plate. Please note that you will need this kind of plate. It has 3 holes in it and the bottom one is big, and not this one. That's used for something else. To install the rudder, you will need to make sure that this side with the slight ribs, or whatever you would call them, goes on the outer side. Then you take these small pointed screws, bigger than these ones, and screw them in.
They are in the packet, the screws, in the packet with these. So don't, first when you open it, try not to go looking for the M2 or the M3 because they're inside the packet.
Yeah, these are self-tapping screws.
The finished two plates with the rudders should look something like this. Is this blurred out?
And on the other side?
With the head of the screw being on the other side of it, and the rudder, and then the reinforced or ribs of these, well, it should be on the pointy side, so you should be able to see it. The next step of creating this robot is installing this straight rudder onto this plate right here. It'll require 2 screws and the plate here. For this step, make sure you have a screwdriver that may be an X or a plus or whatever, but it doesn't have a pointed top because it will ruin the screw.
If you chose to use different screwdriver from what was supplied with the set, you should make sure that it sits firmly in the head of the screw. Otherwise, if you pick a different one, it will ruin your screw's head. So make sure you choose a proper Phillips screwdriver.
For the next step, you'll need to make the left and right thigh of the robot. To secure these pieces, you will need 4 M3 bolts, or I think these are screws actually, not bolts. And you will need 4 M3 nuts. Sorry. The nuts you will need to insert into, so that'll be 2 each, 2 for it. The nuts you will need to insert into this space right here, this space right here, this wide part. These M3? Yep, like that. And then you'll need to put this in, and then screw in an M3 nuts. Oh, do note that you do not need to make a second to another pair of these. You just need
Those screw points are pointing outwards.
Repeat the same process for the other thigh. For this step, we will be installing the other 2 servos onto this plate. This is the thigh servo fixing plate, or just call it the servo plate, whatever. You'll need 4 M2 screws, yeah, those screws, and 4 M2 bolts, the ones that say they're the ones that say for servo on them. You don't. They're just the M2 nuts. So time lapse. Okay, we made a big mistake. This part at the top should be at the bottom, meaning we just actually flipped the entire plate the wrong way. After fixing our mistakes, we'll move on to the next step right here. It should look like this with the rudder at the bottom, as we did the exact opposite of both. Okay, for this next step, you will need the M2.5. They do not come labeled and they come inside the rudders.
Servo must finish initialization, whatever that means. We will yet to find out.
So go search it up. Okay, for this step, you must make sure that the rudder, which is going to be basically like the thigh, the front of it, must be on the long side, which looks like the short side because, yeah, complicated. For this step, we'll finally be installing the feet of the robot to the thigh.
We'll need 2 remaining M2.5 screws.
So you put it on like this, just like with the thigh.
be sure to have that reverse thing on it.
Yes. So this would be the inside. This would be on the pointing towards the inside of the soul, and this would be the outside of it.
So they're both pointing at each other.
So it looks like that.
After reassembling one of the feet, because we had two left feet, or was it right feet? Don't know. The legs are finally finished. Now it is time for the head. For this next step, we will need to install the ball of the foot, like the back of that'd be the knee. But we will need an M3 flathead screw, 10 millimeters, and then an M3 lock nut. They are slightly different from the other nuts because they have this small rounded part at the end, at the top, and I think they are just a bit taller anyway. Yeah.
You also have a piece of rubber inside.
Yeah, they do.
This is to guarantee that these pieces loose.
Yeah, because then you'll end up with a robot that has stiff feet, which is not good because it only has feet. After adding these two and 3 nickel-plated lock nuts, almost like armor it sounds, can be fixed with a 7-shaped wrench. Does not need to be... Oh, that's what this was for.
Huh! We had to use pliers.
Yeah, and my fingers.
Alright.
And then next will be the double pass copper pillars.
Let's say they're brass.
Yeah,
But yeah, I guess it's copper.
For this step, we'll be installing the double pass nuts. There's the really tall nuts. They're made of copper, it says. By the way, we're halfway through the steps now. As to avoid your disappointment, the spanner does not work for these copper bolts. That they are easy to spin on anyway, but what is this for anyway? Neither sides work. For step 13, we will be installing the battery plate with these. What are they? The M310 4 pieces. Very accurate. Okay, Magic Keyboard, you can scroll down. You can find out what it's for. Please. Thank you. So for this step, we will need 4 of these and 4 of... Yes, this is the controller board, is it? Yeah, these. M3, like the small M3 screws. Is it blurry? For this step, you'll need to make sure that the screws are in the right places. So with the drawings, this is the battery. They will be right next to it right here. You can see it? For the USB, you'll need to be this, that's diagonal to it. And these two need to be these 2 screws. Because if you put them in another place, you'll end up regretting it later. Okay, for this step, which would be step 14, we will be installing the battery pack. So, Magic Keyboard, please scroll down to the next step. Thank you. That's step 14. We will need 4 M3 flathead screws, 4 M3 nuts, and a battery box. Obviously one of them.
Don't forget to get the big
Great, now
batteries.
it's stuck. Great, it's stuck. It's really good. No. Just need to press this thing down right here, then pull it.
To open it.
Okay, for this step, you're just gonna need to take the screws, put them in here, put this thing over top. So where's that? Okay, I did everything very, very wrong. Just great. After re-screwing things into their proper places, these four should be exactly aligned with. After screwing these back onto their proper places, these four holes should be exactly aligned with the bolts. Let's start screwing it on. Okay, now after finishing step 14, scroll down please, Magic Keyboard. Thank you. Oh yeah, the cable, this cable right here should be facing it the same way as the power ports. Then we're on to finally the controller board. Oddly enough, you will only need to tighten 3 screws on this, and the 4th hole is going to be either for something else or literally nothing.
And it is.
It is this one, the ESP32 Max V3.0 controller board.
Or
This one right here, the QA018, this one right here. Do not confuse it with the car shield board. That's for something else. Open it up and screw it on. Try not to touch anything on here because this is a microchip, and I have no idea what any of this does. So it'll be a good idea not to touch it. This step you will need the M3 flathead screws, wherever that is in this pile. Oh, there it is. M3, 6, 8 pieces. Yep. So this hole right here, so the one facing away from the port, and so it's this one is the screw that will not be tightened. We will be screwing it onto the copper tower thingies. Make sure to be very careful, extremely careful, when screwing it on, because remember, this is a microchip, and micro means very small, as you might know. So it might be damaging something very important when you touch it.
So, and there's one more piece of acrylic left. We're nearly there.
Yeah, this is the last piece of acrylic we're gonna need to screw on. Then it'll be the second car shield microchip.
Yeah. So we're nearly there.
Just to be specific, this entire thing is a board and microchip is in this one.
Is it like a motherboard or what?
Well, I guess we can call it a motherboard because this is essentially a computer, just tiny small one.
Yeah, just not the one you see. There's not the one that shows YouTube. Okay, this is the reset button. Try not to press it. I don't know what it will do. I mean, it's a reset button. But just try not to press it right now because it does not say in the instructions. And since it's not turned on, just don't press it for the sake of your robot.
And also, I don't even know. We don't know what this is because it's so hard to read because
this is a chip itself. It's
shiny.
ESP32. It's whole entire computer, and here it has 240 megahertz of frequency, and it's frequency. It's more powerful than my first computer I had.
Okay, on to the next step, which is 16. Okay, Magic Keyboard, please scroll down to step 16. Thank you. We are going to be installing the eyes, or the ultrasonic sensor, which means the face, basically. So this is the final piece of acrylic, and basically one of the most important parts of the robot. Where is it? It is right here. So an ultrasonic sensor means it. I'm pretty sure it means it will either send out a constant wave and see how it reflects, showing its like environment around it, or just detects noise like a bat. I mean, yeah, it does. It will detect. It will kind of work like a bat. So if you make some noise, it will probably react differently. There's the robot's face. And then what do we need? I probably shouldn't hold it like that. 4 M2 nuts and 4 M2 round head screws. The 10 mil round head screws. Please do note that we will still be using the ones that say for servo, even though this is clearly not a servo. It's just these ones.
And also
the M2, 10 millimeters.
for the nuts, the same.
They are still for servo, but they are obviously an ultrasonic sensor. We're now moving on to step 17. Please do note that these small spikes at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it?
Yes.
They do not want to be squished. Now the ones at the bottom under it. They don't want to be squished and will ruin your robot's potential by 300%. Eyesight by 300% or something like that. That's a joke. I'll ruin it. So, and you don't want to poke it either, because just like with a real human, poking its eyes will ruin its eyesight. Don't do that. So you will need one M3 10 millimeter flathead screw and one M3 nuts. That will be the M3 nuts and then the M3 screw. What am I doing?
10.
The lock nut and the M3 nuts.
So let's do it. This is not going to be in super speed because it's a short one.
Yeah, it's a short one. Or maybe it will be. Maybe it will be. You never know what to expect. So, add the nuts. How do we screw this on?
You hold it and I screw it on. That's how it works.
The nuts?
You hold the nuts. I screw it on, or the opposite. What do you want to do?
And flip it upside down, and then you could just screw it.
And also remember to hold the
Screw this thing. Screw this thing in.
Am I screwing it in?
Yes, I think you are. Yeah, you're screwing in. You're screwing it in. That is it.
Yes.
Finally,
After
after a few painstaking attempts, we have finally screwed in one bolt into one nut. Moving on to step 18. Magic keyboard, please scroll down. We will be connecting, not assembling, these two pieces together and trying not to squish the wires by accident. We don't want to do that.
It'll be a pretty hard
you-
step.
You scroll it. So we will need 4 M3 10 millimeter screws, and the top part and the bottom part. Yeah, we won't need a nut this time because we have these very tall
Yellow things.
copper, super tall nuts or whatever. Whatever
Yeah.
you want to call them. Anyway, screwing them on.
This maybe will be fast.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Probably not. Probably not.
So
Okay, now we're finally done. with
because
the
of the
screws.
magic of our phone
And magic keyboard.
/ camera, we skipped all the other three
the
to
other
let
three
you
screws?
only see us do the fourth one.
Yeah, even though that was really quick. Okay, magic keyboard. Where are you? Please scroll down to the next step.
Oh.
So that will be step 19. The sticker. Wait, is it? Stick on spacer. Oh. So what is this? So we will need.
Oh yeah, those. Yeah,
So
this
we
is
will
very
need
easy.
These
Thing.
8. Why is there only 6?
Because there's another one of these
Oh,
lying around somewhere.
somewhere.
Use.
I only ever saw one strip.
Here you go. I saw two.
Okay, thank you.
I saw two.
So you will need one of these, one hole of these, one of these, and then 2 others.
These
so these
are.
will be to prevent. Oh, I already stuck one off. To prevent these things from sliding off. So it's for the robot to have friction.
You take it off lower.
Friction. It's called friction.
So
So they will go somewhere right here.
okay, let's keep on doing that.
Can I stick them on, please? I know. how to
You can
them.
stick them on.
Okay, then that one goes.
I'll give them
right
to you and you
here.
do it.
That one goes right here.
Let's add some extra. Okay.
Goes right here.
Add a fifth one. Try not to add extra. This is how much you will need. A strip and two.
Yeah, a strip and two from the others. It should
Try-
look something like this. Do not add any extra because you'll probably need them for something else. Because then they could have just added a 2 strip.
Yeah,
and
you
even
can
if
see
you
here.
don't, they're cool to have anyway.
Yeah, something there, I think.
Anyway, on to, you skipped like a bunch. Okay, wait.
So,
Expansion board, stick on spacer. Okay, go. Magic keyboard, scroll down to step 20.
magic word.
Abracadabra.
Literally.
Avada Kedavra.
Say it, please.
Please, magic keyboard, scroll down.
Okay. Maybe.
Install
What is
the
it? What?
a bit more down, please. There we go. So we will be the expansion board. Do not worry, we are. By expansion board, they mean car shield board.
Show it to them.
Car shield board. It is not a car shield. It is.
Car.
Yeah, it is not a car shield. It is another chip, and I have no idea what it does. And it is most certainly not a potato chip, so don't even try it.
Eating it.
So the sides with less spikes should go on the side with less spikes, as you should have guessed.
Duh. And it goes
Be
in
careful
those
not
holes.
to snap any of the spiky thingies because you don't want to snap them.
And it goes in those
How
holes.
far in do they need to go?
Flip.
Evidently more far out. Have I messed up somewhere? We're fine. Oh, no, except for this one bent.
You broke it. We're fine.
No!
No,
We're
we
cooked.
can't do it. We're cooked. We have to go buy another one.
No, don't worry, it's fine.
We're cooked. Bye.
It is the power of nothing really. It's
Editor,
bent.
add some
We're
fire
cooked.
there.
We're not cooked. We weren't deep fried either. Because we were able to fix it.
Or so we think. Let's see.
Or our dad was able to fix it. We weren't.
Yeah, looks good.
Thank you.
Oops.
Now we can.
Still not good.
Oops.
Still not good. We're cooked. And
Oops.
now we...
No, all
Still
good,
the
all good.
scariest
Now
thing, even if
we're
this is
Look, it's-
distinguished. Now we're distinguished.
Look, it's still properly soldered here,
Distinguished.
so you would be cooked if it's
What word?
got cracked here where it's
Yeah,
soldered
if it
to the
fell
board.
off. Or
Yeah, if
cracked
it
or-
fell off, but you still can solder it back.
With
But it's
some
still
of
not good if
these.
it bends. It's not good because it still lowers its lifetime, or something.
You
Well, I
can,
But if
guess-
you don't take it out, you're fine.
you
you
can
don't take it
bend
out,
it
Yeah, don't hurry.
bend it back using one of these or something.
They're
We
called
used
pliers.
pliers.
These are bent nose pliers,
We used them because we found them faster.
and because they are much better for electronics. Anyway, that is the car shield board on. What does it do?
What? What's
What
that?
does the car shield board do?
Which car shield board?
This,
It's called a car shield board.
as you can see over there.
Is it literally like a
Oh,
backup?
car shield.
Is it
Yeah, I
literally
have
like
no
a-
idea why it's called like that.
I don't know. Maybe for vehicles.
I guess it's covering the main board, and it look
For
rather
protection.
than connecting directly to the main board,
It's
you will use all these adapters. So look, we have these 3-pin adapters, so you can just plug them here, here, and here. These are just cheap and easily available adapters, and you don't need anything smarter than that.
Okay. On to step 21. Oh, you can't not see me.
No, it was just zoomed in. I'll fix it. There now. They can see.
Magic keyboard, please scroll down to step 21.
Magic word.
I said it.
Wrong one.
Oh, abracadabra.
Wrong one.
Imperio! Scroll down to step 21. Ah, I need a magic wand though. Oh, you tricked me into it. Mr. Magic Keyboard. Complete structure diagram.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. So we have completed the robot, I think.
We have a picture of
We
it.
we still need to plug these in somehow. Scroll down to step 22, please. Imperio. There.
Oh, masks.
Find
Yeah,
the
we already
masks.
did
This
that.
is the masks.
Well, I think it's too early for masks.
Yeah, I think it's a bit too early. Is it?
None of the servos
Yeah.
is still plugged in.
Yeah, we'll need to.
Look, I guess
We have all the masks here. You can combine them like this with this.
Ah, we scrolled past the step. Oh no, we didn't scroll past the step. Yeah, you could to make it look cool or something like.
Yeah, like
now,
that.
Now the ninja has a hat.
Instead of being a
no.
monkey.
No, he just has ears. He just has bigger ears.
Yeah.
Actually, you'll find that the witch has even bigger ears, and they're both not monkey. Anyway.
As you can
So-
see, which won in the competition?
all right to the 3-pin connectors.
Yeah. So to the connectors, we'll return to step 22.
Complete structure diagram. It doesn't tell anything about connectors.
Okay.
Maybe you need to go past the masks. Oh, there we go. There you go. Right thigh GPO 25.
Imperial.
Ah, look, it has this diagram.
So GPO.
So look, orange wire goes to the blue, red wire goes to the red, and brown wire goes to the black. And you need to use them in correct
So
order.
the right to the right.
So maybe you need to
The
pencil
right
it.
thigh.
Magic.
So
The right.
look,
Here's my right hand.
so this one
The
goes
right
to
thigh is GPIO 25.
GPIO 25.
So we
It's-
find
Magic keyboard
GPIO.
left the game.
Yeah, look at
Oh,
that.
no.
This one, 25.
Wait, that's G and D. Says
Where
G
is
and
the G and D?
D. Right here.
The black is a ground, so you want this brown cable to be on black.
Or this.
So did you pick the right one?
No, that's the right.
Is this alright?
This is the right thigh.
Or left.
So look, it
GPIO
goes
25.
here.
What happens if you put them in the wrong places?
Well, it will be trying to use, say,
Yeah, so
thigh. It will be
it'll-
moving their own parts.
yeah, and if you connect the foot to the thigh and the thigh to the foot,
Well, actually, there's a lot of pieces left.
yeah,
That's-
I'm pretty sure that's just spare screws, really.
Yeah.
Hey,
Or is there
or is it?
another step? Dun dun dun.
Which one? is
Okay, we need to get the.
this? Yeah, this is the left
Let's get the
calf.
magic
which
keyboard
go-
back.
No, stop. Left calf. You could go buy it back with some magic beans, of course.
No.
GPIO. Yeah, I'll get you the magic beans. Wait, I'll get you the magic beans. Where is it? Where is it? Here. Okay, I'll go ahead. Okay, here's your magic beans. These are totally not chickpeas.
Yeah.
Totally not
Thank
chickpeas.
you.
Don't even think about it. So, no, don't eat them. Go buy the magic keyboard back.
Okay.
And do it quickly, anyway. So, stop eating the chickpeas, I mean beans, and go get the magic keyboard back. GPIO 27.
Magic keyboard has joined the game.
27, 33, 34.
So
There it is, right here.
now let's get the magic keyboard to do
Down to
to
black.
scroll down.
Yeah, scroll down. I mean, scroll up, actually. No, scroll down, scroll down. Let's see if there's any more.
Magic
Technicals.
word needs to be used.
Curio.
What?
Why is there so many notes for the masks? Align the eyes of the mask with the ultrasonic sensor of the bipedal robot and fix it on the robot. The kit also comes with a short piece of double-sided tape. If it is already fixed tightly, then there's no need to stick the double-sided tape. If the mask is very loose and easy to fall off, you can tear off the appropriate length and stick it onto the mask, and then fix it onto the bipedal robot.
This is the double-sided
tape on the mask. It affects the replacement of the mask again, so it is recommended to not stick the double-sided tape.
This is the double-sided tape.
Yeah.
So
if you don't need it, that's free double-sided tape for you to use later.
Yeah.
In your life.
free, but we still haven't found out what this.
Now, of course, what do I mean free? You still bought the robot kit yourself.
We don't know what this is for.
Anyway, we're gonna take the ninja. I think he's a Shaolin actually or something. No idea what I'm saying. And I don't think he fits on. Yes, I do not think he. They didn't design it properly. The mask is a millimeter off.
Millimeter off. No.
Okay, let's try a different one then.
So the masks do not go on. So I think
maybe they will. Maybe our masks are just too small, or the supersonic sensor is a bit too big.
Maybe we'll have to use the double-sided tape and this.
Why does it?
And this.
Or are we just doing something wrong? Are we doing something wrong?
We have.
Oh, they're just really stiff. Okay, they work.
They are just very stiff.
They are just stiff, and it will take a bit of forcing to do. Keyboard, please scroll down, or do I have to use noise spell on you? Scroll down to the notes, please. Please make sure to strictly follow the wiring instructions when connecting the module to the ESP32 controller board. Incorrect wiring may cause a short circuit and damage the ESP32 controller board. Okay, so you definitely don't want to mess up the wiring. So be careful.
Yeah, well, at first glance looks good. At least I see that you didn't connect it otherwise.
Okay. Now these are the small ties. Hopefully I did not mess up somewhere.
And also,
Or does it go through the ear?
Also,
no, I don't think it goes through the ear.
Also, we found out what the purpose of
Should
this
there be another picture?
is. What the purpose of
that's the end of the document.
Of this
Yep,
is. The purpose of this is to, like we have.
Those other nuts.
The
Alright.
M3 ones.
I guess your use of tires is your creativity.
Oh, okay.
So the
I think-
M3
Where does it go? I think it
nuts
should
go
into
in here
this
to like
board
put
here,
it on a.
and you can. It's going to
On a
be like
screw.
a tail. So maybe you just tie them all here,
I already
like that.
put one right here. So.
I already put one right here. Okay, should be all right.
I was talking.
Yeah, it won't short circuit before that. It'll get twin tails like a comet.
This is a tail. Look at that.
Oh, it'll get a triple tail, like a different comet, I guess. And then there's the finished product. If I drop that, it'd be very sad. So he's got his mask. Without his mask, should I take off the mask? Probably not.
Behind there, over there at the
there you
TV.
go. That's without the mask. Do it. So he looks like this. You could probably 3D print some casing or something, or get it 3D printed. I put the ties here, but you could get creative and put it somewhere else.
And also at the background on the TV, we found a new thing and we're reading it.
Yeah, you can.
It's about the
program
coding.
it in Scratch.
On
Yeah, I guess
Scratch.
coding
Scratch
is-
is free.
I guess it's going to be a whole separate video.
That was not an ad. Trust me.
Yeah, sure.
Or some sort of promotion. It is literally free. Anyway, so he looks like this. There's his feet. Still don't move it. And there is an app for it. What is the app called? What's the app called?
Just still looking for that.
What is it?
Yeah, what's that?
ACEBOTT Explore and Travel.
Xbox Explore and Travel.
Not Xbox.
If
So
you are
it-
using an iOS device, search for the keyboard ACEBOTT in the App Store and download it. I guess
Keyword ACEBOTT. Not
you can
keyboard.
do that.
If you're using an Android device, search for the keyboard ACEBOTT in Google Play Store and download it. The icon is as shown below. ACEBOTT Travel A Stars.
ACEBOTT.
ACEBOTT Travel A Stars. I really like the extra A's. Say it looks like this.
Okay,
There's his
I found an app. It's rated 4+.
So don't get any 3-year-olds using it.
Magic Keyboard left the game. Magic Finger joined the game.
And not the one you think it is.
Yeah.
Okay, we finally succeeded to install it. Wow.
Uh-oh.
How do we add a robot?
Don't worry, we're not gonna get a copyright.
Oops. Once again.
Pop. There you
Oh, a robot arm.
I think.
Yeah, we don't have a robot arm.
Control.
A BattleBot?
It's like a game.
Quadruped Bionic Spider. There it is. There it is.
Control.
Control.
Wow.
We need a kit. Wow. Okay, wow.
Cool.
Avoid follow. However, we will need to connect him somehow.
Yeah, let's figure that out.
Wait, what if you?
I think it'll be that button right here.
I think we need to
turn
power
him.
that.
Yeah, we need batteries. We have not added batteries, and you shouldn't have either. Anyway, they may look like that it is like stuck to there forever, but all you need to do is push down on this thing. You can do it, please. Yep. Now you
Just
can
opens
add the
up like that.
batteries. Check their voltage because we don't want a weak robot.
Yeah, that'll
Check
be.
their voltage.
That'll be walking.
If you do not already know, these are what batteries they are?
Supposed to be 3.7 volts batteries.
These are 3.7 volt batteries that are they are 18650. So it's 18650. You need 2 of them, and since you're not welding them, they should have the pip.
I guess it's called solder and not welding.
We might make a video about.
Slightly different process.
I think you're gonna want to go to
So
20.
we took a
So we take a voltage measure, and it says, what does it say? 3.59. That's fine.
Okay.
we figured out that we need to upload software into this robot.
Yeah.
To do that, we first need to install ACEBOTT program, which is a program which looks like Scratch, but it's a different one.
Yeah. So
And-
sorry that we said you code it on Scratch. It's like Scratch.
Almost.
It seems like it doesn't have downloadable option for Linux. It has Windows, Mac. However, it has online coding.
Which is just like a
Hopefully.
tab.
Hopefully it's okay. I have plugged the robot to our compute stick, which runs our TV, and seems
Yeah.
to be running.
Yeah.
The next step, we need to jump slightly to get it working with
Mobile.
mobile app. We need to open an app from lesson 8, which was coming on the in the download for this robot. So I do load from computer. I go to that ACEBOTT Biped, and I go into ACECode beginner, and I go to program, and it goes as lesson 8.
And Biped Robot app
Yeah, let me jump a little bit.
3. I mean.
So it was in the programming tutorial, and it was going as lesson 8, controlling it with an app. So we need to download an app, which we've done. But for this app to be able to connect to the robot, we need to first upload this program It's in the description. So we need to upload this program into the robot. So back,
Also, you'll need to connect to the Wi-Fi network ACEBOTT
yeah, after we upload it.
after we upload it. The password is 1234567 always.
Right. So we are in upload mode. I have no idea if it's going to work or not.
It even says the password there.
I think we can try upload program. Does it do anything?
Let's see. I don't think it's doing anything. Maybe a right click. Oh.
Please connect the device first. Yeah, maybe we need to try on another computer.
Like and scratch, you can change the ACEBOTT.
Connect the device. It's a bit slow on this computer. We might need to run another one. Connect device.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
No.
We switched to the PC,
Because it has more memory and stuff.
and it's just way stronger than a little compute stick. That's something else.
Okay, we are plugging the robot into a computer and hoping for best.
Hang
Oh, look.
Electronics USB serial has been connected.
Cool, maybe this will work this time.
Yeah.
Loading.
Loading. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, it's literally Scratch.
Yeah, it's literally
Except
scratch.
it's a different guy.
Oh, look at that. This time it can see this device. Maybe that.
Connected. Because we
No, and
plugged it in.
that's not Scratch though. That is not Scratch. It looks exactly like.
Well,
But it is. This thing is in. This is Scratch. This is Scratch. But the
Yeah, but Scratch, I don't know. Maybe it's open source.
yeah.
Connected. Wow. All right. Let's see how it looks. We need to download the set because we don't have it in this computer.
Because we used a different one.
It's kind of big.
Well, not so big. One.
Eternity.
Later.
The download has finished, and where is that? It's in downloads.
Click there, click
And
there.
we do extract here.
Okay.
Right, it creates it extracts it, and there is another hive. We've been tricked with that already, and we do extract here already.
It's not available. I'm pretty sure it's hooked to
Cool.
everything else.
And now we have this lesson 8
Biped robot app.
program. Finally, we need to open this program, load from your computer, download ACEBOTT
In the elevator.
program.
Loading right.
Cool. We are connected to the device, and I think we just click upload program.
Operation failed. The thing is
Okay,
that-
let's try.
Let's see.
I think this board is not flashed at all.
Did you turn it on?
No, it's turned on. It's all good. We need to upload firmware first.
And
So it's completely blank. It doesn't
Okay.
have any firmware. It doesn't have any program. One.
Eternity.
later.
Cool.
It's finished.
You think?
Yeah, I think so.
Type.
Python.
Oh, look at that. I think it's
Dirty on-
connected. All right, now we're trying to upload a program. Something happened.
And,
Getting connected and
Oh, I know.
disconnected. I think we need to
It's only been
unplug it.
disconnected.
No, I just.
Maybe I don't
just
put it
plugged
through the 3.0. Put it through the regular USB.
I think it doesn't matter.
Wait, put it in again. I think it just.
So we
went
uploaded
out.
firmware. We upload program, and I don't know. Maybe it's trying to calibrate or something.
Maybe it just plugged out accidentally. Oh, still doing it. Let's go in USB.
Is it messing with us?
Oh, maybe it's this ultrasonic sensor doing stuff. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. It wasn't in manual saying that it should start making weird sounds.
Yeah, still going like this.
That's not good.
So, what could we do?
I think we should try batteries.
Here.
I think this is because it's just getting enough charge to connect, then it's instantly disconnecting because it is not getting enough power. This is supposed to make that sound. I mean it's an ultrasonic sensor. It should sound.
Do you hear
I
the?
think it's one of the servos making this sound.
Do you hear the beeping?
No, it's not beeping. It's a high pitched noise.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, I think. Well, let's try to connect with.
Do you hear the high pitched noise?
Yeah, this could
What
be
that
that.
knicker sometimes? What that?
Do you think
All right,
connecting?
connection failed. Hold on. We need to go to. Oh, finally! After we flashed it, we have Biped robot, and we type password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're trying to join.
And
Yay! It's connected. And now, if we go to the application,
I think it's the bottom motor making that.
is it connected?
hold on, it's not connected yet.
Connect.
Is it connected?
Click the connect button.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Okay. Try the.
He's moving.
Try this servo specifically because it's making a noise.
Cool. Let's look at the manual again. So we go to assemble documentation
It's 23.
23.
Nope.
All right, so we
left thigh is on GPIO.
hold on. Let's start. Right calf. So we're looking like at the robot like that, right? So this is going to be its right calf. It's right calf. Here it is. It goes and connects to where it should be.
What isn't this the right calf?
GPIO
Because
26. Look at
Okay,
that.
so-
We're looking at robot like that. We're holding it exactly like that.
Okay.
So this is correct. And right thigh, this one, it should go to GPIO 25, which is correct.
That was lost here.
Left calf
GPIO
goes and connects to GPIO 27. And left thigh should be going and connecting to GPIO
26.
no to GPIO 4,
Really? Oh.
and this
Then that's
seems
the
to be
left one.
correct. So we are probably okay.
At least with the servos.
Yeah.
Maybe we messed up on the colors somewhere.
Well, we may have fried the robot if we messed up on the colors. Let's review that again. So we connect.
The robot wouldn't work if it was wrong.
Everyone knows.
So we connect the orange wire to the blue pin. We connect red wire to the red pin, and we connect brown wire to black pin. And it is all correct here, and it looks okay, and I think we are controlling them. So
Hey,
maybe
doesn't the ultrasonic sensor have also some of these things?
it may have not enough power because I think batteries are not properly charged.
The ultrasonic sensor, it is not at all connected to this thing.
Oh, it's not connected at all. Ah, look at that.
Yeah. Also, we have 2 extra cable thingies.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, we
Here
were
it is.
seriously messed up.
black wire.
Look, it's here. The ultrasonic.
Sensor.
What?
Yeah, it's supposed to be here. So look, we connected to the sensor. Should be labeled. All right, we have to redo that.
Yep.
Okay,
I hope
back
we
to
tried
the
robot,
table.
because that would be extremely sad. Okay, after realizing that we haven't even connected the ultrasonic, we are now back to checking everything else.
Yeah,
So how is this supposed to connect?
from there I think.
Yes, I know from there, but
So look, we connected
Oh,
it. We connected
gray to
this
the-
extra wire
but there's
here,
still one more.
and it's marked here. It is marked
So the brown
ultrasonic.
goes in G.
Maybe seen here, but you will find it on the board. It's saying ultrasonic, and you should connect black to GND, which is ground, red to 5V, blue to 14, and white to 13. And same here, it has also markings G, V, E, and T, and accordingly we connect it here like that. So you should connect it exactly in the order as they go. So black to G, red to V, blue to E, and white to T. Yeah, please do, and after that we connect it back.
Brown to G.
And meanwhile, we have set batteries for charging because I think they are not charged enough. White.
And then we.
Yeah, looking good.
And then
So
we.
it should
put
be
the
connected
gun.
somewhat like that.
Yep, he's got a snake neck.
Ah, look at that. There was a tutorial how to install this software. It's for
So
Windows.
we could have used it, but we don't have Windows.
Yeah, but it has instructions for web version, which works for us on Linux.
So we need to connect to it. Let's see. Waited for a while and then turn it on back again, and it's over here. So
There it is right here.
connect to it.
There it is. And it's.
We connect to it, and now click on ACEBOTT travel to the stars. And look for there it is. Control.
Yeah, I think it's already connected.
Okay, so
We normally need to click this.
that was left stamp, right stamp, left angles, right angles, left tilt, right tilt, left kick, right kick, sprint, dance, follow,
Okay, just.
okay.
Yeah, we found out that direction of the robot movement doesn't quite work as we expected. So say we push forward and it clearly starts moving backwards. And when we push backwards, it moves sideways. Even though we have plugged all the wires connected properly, and we had to switch two of them, not the way they are in the manual. So I guess we have to go through all the lessons for the programming rather than just starting from the lesson 8. Maybe it will reveal what's the issue with that.
Yeah, we'll do a part 8. So lastly, let's do. Why is he doing?
Yeah, it's turning. It's turning because I pressed turn. So it's turning to the correct directions. If you press left, it turns left. If you press right, it turns right.
He's not really. He's actually avoiding me, but he's just walking around my hand. After a while, he'll just go around. He'll just keep going around my hand, but he'll get stuck here, so he'll keep going from here. If there was something here, okay, swallow.
Yeah, when you do follow, it actually, rather than following your hand, it goes backwards.
Maybe the software inside it just wasn't installed correctly.
Okay, we'll do a part 2 for programming. Bye.